Вот куда мы шли, ребята, видите? Weta Workshop Unleashed. Это вот где ребята все производят для фильмов. Здесь же можно окунуться в All Blacks Experience. Это все эти игроки, команда All Blacks, новозеландская регби-тим. Мы сейчас подождем, и нас, наверное, пригласят. Посмотрим. Ну все, нас нашли и пригласили. Мы идем на тур. У-ху-ху. Круто. Какие прекрасные двери. Класс. Билетики, билетики. Нас приглашают в камеру клонирования. Что-то там происходит. Нет. Мы пойдем.
A dark, scary tunnel. Strange. Who would like to be the first? Welcome, everyone, to the Vault of Dreams and Ideas. Now, this is the place where we store all kinds of wonderful dreams and ideas that we want to one day turn into video games and sci-fi. So I'll have you direct your attention towards the screen, and we will begin.
Sit. Okay, rolling. Action, Brian. Now we've got a dog, which is a bit of kid. Hey, step, step, stop, sniff, and then go again. Open up, please. Thank you. Greenery around that stonework, please.
I think we need a little bit more light on the right side of the castle.
Hey Chris, just extend those mountains a little bit when you do the VFX pass.
So what we're doing today is we're shooting the studio scale test.
We're on a sound test, 1-to-1 turns, take 4.
And action. That's good. If we shoot this right, the robot will look 3 times the size. And action!
But we'll say hello to him in just a second here. But Jeff is a real fan of collectibles, as you can see over here. So you are perfectly welcome to take photos of his collectibles, but please do not touch. They're very valuable. And if he knows that any of you have touched, let's just say you really don't want to make an enemy out of Jeff on your first day. But all of these are very, very special. Some of them only very small amounts were ever made, like the tree beard over there. Only 333 of those were ever created. And they all sold for about $3,000 in about 10 minutes from the time that they were dropped, which is crazy. Now they sell for about $10,000 on the resale.
Вау, эти фигурки все продаются за $10 000 за штуку на аукционе сейчас. Представляете?
So we had to make some more. We had to win some more. But you can have one of those.
Это все вот награды человека, который это все придумал.
Okay, come on. It's really
Эти
cool.
все
I worked
фигурки.
really hard. Okay. And then I'll
Сколько наград.
introduce you to him, I promise. Because of my work on that light show that I showed you earlier, Jeff actually decided to get me blood, not actually acting, but still, it was pretty cool. Fauna. So we'll just be going through our tech tunnel now. It is a little bit loud in there, so I'll try to yell, but creativity can create when we're working in this kind of environment. But yeah, follow me this way towards fauna.
Oi, Jim, move! So hello again everyone and welcome to the workshop. My name is Richard Taylor. I'm the design and effects supervisor here at the workshop, and I'm thrilled to be able to share some of the fantastic goings on we have hidden away here. There's always something exciting and inventive being cooked up. Isn't that right, Jeff? This charming bloke is Jeff. He's what we call an animatronic.
Yeah, animatronic from Hamilton.
Jeff thinks he's quite the comedian, but he's actually head of security.
But we will now be heading into the set of our horror movie Fauna.
Не знаю, куда мы идем.
So, when we
Куда-то.
go in there, I'm gonna have you guys meet me.
Тут просто какие-то... Каждая комната — это отдельный мир. Гляньте сюда.
All right, so if you can just follow me around into the corner over here.
So cool.
So this is behind the scenes for our horror movie Fauna. Now this is the first movie that I got to work on. The background of this movie is that it's supposed to take place in the 80s, so we wanted to keep it very hands-on.
Смотрите, это я.
They don't take it to try or anything. They decide to stay, and it's a horror movie, so we're in suits. Around, see what you might be interested as interns.
Всякие существа.
All right, everyone, so I'll be
Окей. The buttons. Это уже фэнтези часть.
It was just interesting timing. we've done on the world building of the EverClan before eventually we will move on and I'll show you a little bit more in depth that particular world. So enjoy.
Yeah, exactly. Or when we go back home.
Okay. Very nice. Are you going up or down first? Yeah, the console visas. Yeah.
We're actually
So that's a miniature. But we'll file in here to see what we really can. So, when you put your mind to it, you really can create amazing things. So this is what we like to call a bigature rather than a miniature. So this is about 8 times the size of an actual person. We do have other sort of exhibits that we've done in New Zealand where we have created these bigatures, but those ones are not nearly as large as this one. So in order to make the details look a little bit more realistic, all right, boxers. So, well, castle right here. Now, this castle is still technically a miniature, even though it looks massive. And that is because it is not the size of a real castle. If you were to be at this castle, you would actually be about the size of your pinky finger. So it's about 1/28 the size of a normal castle. I believe this is actually the filming size of the death or the bone eaters over there, the evil characters, setting up ready